Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well. So guys, today is my topic best social media marketing tools for 2022. So social media is double-edged sword. If utilized optimally, it can open new door of opportunity of the businesses. Contrastly, a single innocent blunder can cost you both money and your prominence in the industry. This is evident from the outrage same reward names receive after meeting making some wrong movies. So guys, undeniably social media hiding is not child play, but did you know that there are tools that can actually help you manage all your social media operation effectively? So guys, the I better will not only save time and money but also enhance the efficiency of the overall social media marketing companies campaigns. However, social media marketing involves numerous operation which may which may be a little hard to cover in one sitting. For this reason, in this belong for post, we shall suggest same tools that you can use for a few basic accept aspects of the whole process whole process. So guys, social media marketing tools for 2022. Truly hard work must be cherished, but hard work compelled coupled with start work save time. Smart work save time, money and angry waste treats stress yourself about our things that can be automated. On the other hand, leaving everything at the mercy of all tools is also not a wise decision either. Our utilize aim is simplify the process rather than completely automate it. Let's use briefly because a few tools that will make the job easier and more effective. Now first, Grammarly. A factory communication is the uh, undoubtedly key to the success of not only social media marketing but also the overall digital marketing campaign. As a result, the textual contact of the your marketing Copy must be captivating and error free. That is to say, your audience covers not only knowledge staging contact but also the chammering in your words. So, guys, contractually, grammatically faulty text index includes a glitch for the reader, missing full stop and commas as well as misspelled words might trench your tarnish your public message. This is where our first tools make a grand entry. Grammatically, Grammarly is an incredible tool that help you write error-free, elevated contact without having to battle with dictionaries. So guys, next topic, unsplash. Will the text is the important aspect of your marketing copy. Your material will look dull without any authentically authentically a stitch image. Spicically speaking, a viewer eyes will firstly land on the picture in your marketing copy before reading your text. Hence, the quality of the image will either hook your reader or cash them away. You can't simply pick an image on Google, use it in your copy. After all, that would be aesthetically wrong, give the copyright restrictions and whatsoever. For utility, fortunately, Unflash solve the above drama without hands hassle. The latter is an images discovery platform that allows you to choose for vast pool of high quality image for free. So forget about copyright issue is complicate complement your textual content with superior quality image. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Okay, God bless you.